Okay, students, this separate video is to show you how to step through the process of accessing your Google document in one of your async or independent assignments today. So we're going to click into the folder for today's async work, and we're going to go to Find and highlight the fragments. And remember, you want to make sure that you are logged into your Carlos Rosario account first. So I'm using Dennis's here as an example, and you can see here that he's already logged into his Carlos Rosario Google account or Gmail account. And after that, you'll have two buttons up here, and you're going to click on My Document. Okay, and the document will come up. Now, students, if you get a message that down here in the corner with a little blue button that says connect, and it asks you to connect to your Google account again, just follow the directions, click on a connect, click on your account, click on allow, and then it will bring you back to this document. So after you see the document, okay, you'll see a button that says Edit. Okay, and now you're going to do the assignment. So the assignment is to look for 6 sentence fragments, in other words, parts of sentences. They are not complete. And when you see a fragment, you're going to highlight it. So I'm going to give you the first one, which is right here. Okay, and you can highlight it and then come up here to the highlight color pen. You can choose whatever color you want. Yellow, blue, doesn't matter. Okay. And that's how you're going to find and highlight the 6 fragments. When you finish, you're going to come down here to part 2, and the fragments will be here, and you will write the complete sentence and fix it in here. Now, you're thinking, well, all of the answers are right down here in part 2. Yes, but don't look at the answers yet. That's not going to help you learn. First, go through the assignment and see if you can identify the 6 fragments yourself. I'm going to undo this so that Dennis can do this part himself. Now, when you have finished the assignment, okay, up here, you're going to find I'm sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, when you have finished, come back up here. Let me show you to the Schoology tab, and you will see the button that says Submit Assignment. And when you do that, you're going to see a little rocket that's going to send the document to me, and then you are done. Okay, so make sure you come back. Okay, you're in the document. You click on your tab to come back to Schoology, and then you click on the Submit Assignment. Okay, and then I will get it.